Hi, my name is Mike, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to become a Gearbest affiliate partner and possibly start earning yourself a significant second income. In the video we'll cover who can join, the registration process, how to make money and how to utilise the new affiliate website. So let's get started. So almost anyone can join the affiliate program. For example, if you have a following on Facebook, Twitter, or even if you're a content creator right here on YouTube, or maybe you have a blog, a retail or service-based website, you can actually apply to take part in the program. You can visit the Gearbest Associate Program website from gearbest.com directly. Scroll to the bottom of the page and click on the Associate Program link. Alternatively, using your browser, visit us at affiliate.gearbest.com. So whichever method you've used to get onto the Gearbest Associate Program, this is the official homepage now. Now before we go ahead and register or join the actual program, let me show you around the actual new website. Now the website has had a complete haul over and it's a lot more user friendly. Now as you scroll through the Gearbest Affiliate website, you'll see some of the main reasons why people join our program. We have weekly payouts, you can earn up to 12% in commission, multiple ways to withdraw your money, and a 30-day order validation period. As you scroll further down the main page, you'll come across our latest blog post. To actually view our blog, click on this link. As we scroll right down to the bottom of the page, you will also find all of our social media links. If you would like to follow us, click on any of these icons. Now just before we begin our registration process over on the affiliate site, let me briefly show you our regularly updated blog, and you can actually visit this at any time by visiting gearbestassociate.com. From the navigation bar you can access the following tabs, which will provide you with a wealth of knowledge. On the home screen we have our latest blog posts, all in chronological order. Moving over, we have the promotion tab. Now this consists of weekly star gear, daily coupons, weekly promotions, weekly promotion gear. Move over another one, we have the associates events. Now this is broken down into monthly activities and activity summaries. We also have a dedicated tab for associates showcasing some great tips for maximising earning, along with some good best practices to follow. We also have a share and comment section, and finally we have the tutorials and the frequently asked questions sections. With everything that you could possibly think of that you might need help, you will find up-to-date tutorials right here. So let's head over back onto the associate site and start the registration process. So now that we're back on the registration page, what we're going to go ahead and do is click on the join now. So now on the registration screen, enter your email, enter your password, go ahead and confirm your password, check the little terms and condition box and click continue. Now when you get over to the second screen, go ahead and fill in your name, fill in your contact information. Now when you get down to the section marked your website, make sure it is your website and not just the generic facebook.com or twitter.com. Make sure it is a page that you specifically own, so it gives us a bit more information on who you are. Then you can add multiple sites by using the little plus symbol you can see next to where I'm typing. You can add your Twitter, your Instagram, or if you do have a dedicated commercial or a sales-based website, add all that information on. Go ahead and then select the most appropriate product category that you would like to actually promote for gearbest.com, and then add in as much information as possible. You'll then be greeted with this screen. Now as you can see, it's got 55 seconds. Go ahead and check on your inbox to make sure that you've received an email. If you haven't, then resend the activation email. Once you've got that email, go ahead and click on the link and that will activate your account. Before we begin to delve into the new and improved affiliate website, which we will do, well, let's just take a look at the actual home screen. Now the home screen has actually changed, and a couple of the things that has actually improved is the fact that if you look directly under the home button, there is a latest news. Now this is very useful information if you're looking to promote a specific group of products like smartphones. This might actually just pop up with information telling you that this particular smartphone or this particular brand is having a sale. You can actually gain access to a lot more by clicking on the more button, and it will expand into a larger view. Also on the home screen you will find your dashboard. Now the dashboard can be adjusted by day, month and year, and you can look at your sales commission and clicks. So this is really handy without going into reports. Again, without going into reports, you can access your account overview. We'll tell you what your available balance is, the order counts, clicks. Very handy right there from the home screen. Along the top right hand side you'll see the following information. Message tab. From time to time the affiliate team may send you information or respond to queries you have made. Next to that you'll see your name. Hovering over that will list three options: basic information, payment information and logout. Under the basic information tab you'll see your unique ID. Adding that to the end of any URL or page on the gearbest.com website, anyone following that link and making a purchase will earn you a commission. Secondly, the Gearbest Affiliate Program, unlike the Amazon program, runs on a tier system. On this page you'll also find your current commission rank. There are 3 levels: Standard, Premium and VIP. You can find the commission model information by hovering over the Help Center, clicking on the Commission Model tab. Gearbest also pay a higher commission rate for new customers, depending on the commodity price range. All of this information can be seen on this screen. Also, if you're looking at the upper right hand corner, you're also able to change the language that the website is currently displaying. Moving on to the payment information screen, here you can set up your preferred payment method, selecting from the 3 options that they currently offer: PayPal, WebMoney and bank account. You can withdraw to your available balance from both PayPal and WebMoney when your total exceeds $100 or more. There is a fee payable per transaction. You can withdraw to your bank account when your commission balance reaches $1,000, same principle applies. Payment applications you make are reviewed every Monday and payments are transferred between Thursday and Friday. You can also convert your commission into a Gearbest gift card by contacting the affiliate team at gap@gearbest.com. And the last step we need to complete before we go ahead and start earning some money is to set up a transaction password. Now within the payment information menu, you'll see in between PayPal, WebMoney and bank details, transaction password. Now on the screen, as you can see, R1 is already set. Now if we wanted to reset it, I'd click reset and enter a new email address and a secondary password. Now this information is required if you want to withdraw your available balance, be it to your bank account or to your PayPal account. This password and email address should be different than your actual logon information. So now that you've completed the above, let's start earning some commission. Head over to the Ad Center tab. While hovering over this, you'll have 5 headers: promotional events, promoted products, smart ads, API settings, and finally the greatly used deep link. We'll get into that shortly. Under the promotional events, there are currently 3 subcategories: featured promotions, ongoing promotions and top brands. Under featured promotion you can find weekly promotional information from gearbest.com. You can also choose what category, what language you want to promote in. Affiliates can also obtain a banner code or text code if they have their own website or blog. Aside from all of that, you're also able to generate various different sizes of banner ads, and you can also generate text links if you wish to. Ongoing promotions are slightly different than featured promotions. These are long-term promotional events or products that are run by Gearbest.com. Also, you're able to change the banner ad sizes, the language, and you can also generate text links just like before. And finally, we have top brands. Now, top brands are the most highly rated and highly bought products on Gearbest.com. Now, using featured promotions, ongoing promotions, and top brands, you can actually generate HTML code. And if you do have a website or blog, you can actually copy and paste that into your HTML editor on your website like this. Then we move over to the promoted product category. Here we can see hottest deals, newest arrival, high commission products and coupons. Now just like previous, we can actually find the actual product that we're looking for or a text link, or we can find coupon codes. We can go on and change the actual product category. We can also change our tracking number if we wish, and you can actually go ahead and click on a product and generate the HTML code either for your website or blog, or you can even just go ahead into coupons. Again, you can actually select from the drop down box and the product categories. You can actually choose banner ads, picture ads or text ads, and you can actually select the language that you want that ad to be displayed in, and then go ahead and generate the link. Moving over one, we have the Smart Ads tab, where you can find dynamic ads. Now these auto-updating ads are a powerful form of affiliate advertising. Set them once on your website as a HTML code and leave. Latest offers and promotional events and new product releases will all show up as and when they are made available. You're also able to select from various different banner sizes to suit whatever size you would like to use on your website. In case you get stuck while actually generating your dynamic ad, or if you're looking for a bit more information, you can click here where it says help. Now this will take you to a various array of articles that will explain any kind of problem you're having and hopefully be able to provide you with a solution. On the Gearbest affiliate website, you also have access to the API tab, the application programming interface. This is a communication tool between sites and devices, very useful if you're a coder or a website owner. Now, I mentioned deep links a while back in the video. This is one of the most used functions and a great tool to post any page or any product through your online forums. From generating affiliate links for subscribers to follow for a product or Twitter followers, those engaged with your channel can check out the products and buy them if they so wish to. This will boost your commission and your overall earning. You can do this by finding the product on Gearbest.com, copy the page URL, then head over to the deep link generator. paste it into the box labeled site, product and category, name the link whatever you wish, and generate either a code or create a link for visitors to click. Posting these links on a YouTube video description can really boost your earnings. Still staying with the custom link generator, now along with creating text links for your video descriptions or your Twitter followers, you can also create an image link for people to click on, and you can do this just by clicking here. And lastly, on this page you can also in CSV file format batch upload and download both image links and text links. Now this becomes very useful as you grow as an affiliate marketer. Now moving on from the Ads Center to the Reports tab, now this is a little bit more in depth. Now if we look at the first tab, which is Performance, second tab which is Ad Report, and the third one is the Order Report. Now we're going to go on to the Performance tab, and as you click onto it, imagine there's a lot of clicks on there, it's dated. So we can also adjust the date range from the start of the month to, shall we say, the midpoint of the month, and you can actually check all of that information. You can check the number of clicks against the sale amounts, the number of order counts, and the commission, and your conversion percentage by day, month, or whatever custom period you set. Now under the Ad Report tab, you can actually see the actual banner that we've just created, and if it's an image banner, the date it was created and its URL. We can also see the number of clicks, how many customers have registered, total number of orders and the completed number of orders, and on the end column you can see the order total and the pending amount from orders that are still waiting to go out. So this is a good indicator of how well your links are performing and how well your social marketing strategy is going. Now in the order report you'll have every single detail that you can imagine. You'll have your order ID, the link ID, the amount of sale that was generated, commission status, whether it's been paid or if it's pending, and if it's a new and existing customer. If it's a new customer, you'll see a higher commission rate. If it's an existing customer, slightly low. And the source one is really important. So the source will tell you the exact link that that customer came to Gearbest and actually placed an order. So this is all very valuable information into helping you maximize your revenue. Also within the order reports you can actually set custom date ranges, and you can also change quite a few settings to actually get a more detailed overview of how you're actually performing. Just by clicking on this button you can actually see all orders, normal orders, cancelled orders or refunded orders. So say for example if you have a cancelled order, your actual available balance or your commission amount will go down. Order validation period is 30 days. To actually transfer your commission into your PayPal, WebMoney or bank account, you need to go into the Payment Center and log on and actually fill in this section. Now to get paid, what you have to do is fill in the withdrawal amount. This can range from anything from $100 all the way over $1,000. Then click in your transaction password. This is the one that you've set up previously under account information. Then select your payment method. This can be PayPal, WebMoney or bank transfer. Go ahead and fill in your PayPal email address and then click submit, and you should get an email sent to you to confirm that the details have been processed correctly. It will also show you on the screen that this has actually occurred. As previously mentioned, if you want to convert your Gearbest commission into a Gearbest gift card, gift points or even coupons, simply contact us at gap@gearbest.com. Also within the Payment Center you can actually check your income and expenditure along with checking the transaction flow by custom date parameters, so quite a useful bunch of information, and you can also track all of your transactions and payments from within this screen. Let's take a look at the help section. Now here you'll find very useful articles about the actual program, your agreement, and if you ever get stuck on anything you can use the Contact Us tab to contact the affiliate team to help resolve any issues you may be having. So now that you know a little bit more about the Gearbest affiliate program, why not consider joining us? Gearbest.com is ranked in the top 300 websites worldwide. We also have an easy to navigate affiliate site, perfect for both experienced people and people starting out. We also offer worldwide shipping, multiple channels to withdraw your commission, and you can even earn commission up to 30 days after the initial link or banner click if that customer makes a purchase. We also offer a high rate of commission and over 100,000 awesome products to choose from. So why not get started right now?